Okay. What is your name and where do you stay?
I am Trupti. I stay in Dadar East. Dadar West.
Okay. What is your child's name and age?
She's Kashmi Amol Keer and she's 2.6 years old.
Okay. What were you looking for your child?
Basically, we wanted her to be very interactive because right from the beginning, we were looking out for a school where she will develop her skills, wherein she will learn to understand, she'll learn to steer because she's a single child basically. She's a single, there's no one to play in the house also. So we wanted her to be more interactive, we wanted her to be more sharing, which in Peekaboo I have experienced that she has actually developed herself so much. She understands things, she tries to uncolors everything, whatever she learns in the school. In fact, when she had joined school, I used to think she was just 1.5 years, 1.6 years old. So we used to think, okay, she would not be, and we would not be able to understand what she is learning in the school. But when we interacted with the teachers, when we actually understood how the school goes, how the teaching the pattern is, how the teaching pattern is, how they actually teach the children. When she comes home, she actually, when we ask her, what did you learn today in the school? She is able to actually tell us what exactly it is. Such a small child, I never expected she would actually tell us what she would learn in the school. Because we always used to ask teachers, how she will understand and how she will be able to, after coming home. Even we don't know what, we have to talk to her, we have to actually ask her at school mein kya padhaya or whatever. But now we have learned her stories also. She keeps on saying 1, 2 words which we understand, okay, this must be the like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Also in the beginning she started saying, then we understood, okay, there are certain poems which Peekaboo has which we don't know. Like there are many poems which are actually out of the syllabus, like not normal poems like Twinkle Twinkle and all. They are not the normal poems. But that also we understand. When she comes home, she keeps on saying those things. She keeps on, like, she's learned how to those words which she speaks. Then we understand, okay, this is a poem. Then we actually go into the book and we like we didn't tell her, okay, this is the poem. This has to be the proper wordings. And then she also picks up. Started picking up more fast. Like everybody not even us. Everybody who comes at our home also, they are like, okay, she's become a little smarter than what the other kids are. That is what I have understood. That is what I have come across. And so beautiful concepts. They have so many activities, and we participate in all the activities. Like we always enjoy the activities what they have. Like yesterday only, day before yesterday, they had an activity where then they have to bring the pillows and blankets and pajama party. So it's like even she learns, okay, before going to bed, what has to be done, brushing the teeth, everything, all the habits she started developing in, and that is really good. Like we don't have to specifically pay attention to her. The school takes care of the kids, like the basic habits which you have to learn. She started learning how to, by spoon, how to eat and everything, which it was very difficult at home also, no? You have to, for such small kids, you actually have to tell them, okay, and it's very difficult for them. For us at least, it is very difficult to make her sit at one place and eat. I have started realizing she drinks properly, and by spoon how she eats, it's really nice. Like I have a lot of words. Like it's the last day of the school, but I will really miss the school. Table man.
Okay, so did you before joining Peekaboo, did you consider any other options?
There were 1 or 2 options, but I had one of my friends. Her kid was going into the school, so actually I was very confident before because they have started. The new concepts which were coming in, which were actually informed beforehand. These are the new concepts which will be incorporating before joining the school. So we were very confident. So we just joined the school.
Okay, can anything be better in Peekaboo?
I think they are doing much better. So I think they have already the new concepts which they are doing. It's more than enough for this age group, basically.
Okay, so finally, okay, on the scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate Peekaboo? 5 on 5. Okay.
At least for my kid. I don't know about the others, but it's fine.
Okay, thank you so much.